Hey guys, it's Vivian, your hot stock girl. I've been hearing a lot about Robinhood. Is it a good platform for trading stocks? First, let's go over the history of Robinhood. Robinhood started out in 2013 and now has more than 3 million customers. Google Ventures was one of their earliest investors, as were celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Jared Leto. Robinhood has an app that you can download onto your phone. You can also open an account online. There are no Robinhood stores or offices to go to. So is Robinhood a good brokerage firm to use? Well, if you do your own research, you will be fine using Robinhood for your trades. There are no fees for stocks or option trades, and you can buy ETF commission free. Sounds great, right? So what's the catch? Robinhood gives you real-time quotes and executes trades. After that, you're on your own, which is actually great for intelligent investors. Robinhood makes its money on interest from all of its deposits, much like a bank. They also make money from interest when customers borrow money to buy stocks on margin. And there are premium accounts for a monthly fee. But if you are a smart investor doing your own research, Robinhood could be the brokerage firm for you. So there you have it. Robinhood is a really good deal for smart investors. I'm Vivian, your hot stock girl. Please be sure to subscribe below and check back soon for more great investment ideas. Bye!